9 divided by 3, then times 3 plus 0. 9 divided by 3, then times 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0 is just 3. And 3 times 3 gives us 9. And here we have 9 divided by this. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. Because multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. Okay? And also, parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So 3 plus 0 gives us 0, and we have 9 divided by 3, then times 3. Now we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So now we have to do this division. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3, and 3 times 3, which equals 9. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 9. The correct answer is 9.